Friends, we'll see question number 5 onwards in this video. The previous video had 4 questions. In CET paper there are 50 questions, we'll see all 50. So today's question is the solution of the differential, and there is equation. Differential equation question है x into x is x square, xy, y square, which clearly gives an indication that this is going to be a homogeneous differential equation. So I just write the equation. So we have open the bracket, or what we'll do is we just keep dy by dx on one side, everything else on other side. So that's how we solve all homogeneous differential equation. Now in the differential equation, in homogeneous differential equation, the first step is always put y equal to vx, right? So if I differentiate with respect to x, derivative of y will be dy by dx, and derivative of vx, if we want to take v as it is, x ka derivative 1, x as it is, derivative of v is dv by dx, which I just write v plus x dv by dx, and now I just number them. So I got value of dy by dx, I call it as equation 3, value of y called as equation 2, and the equation here I called 1. So what I'll do is I'll just substitute value of y and dy by dx in this equation. So what we get here, observe, what I'll be doing is I'll just substitute 3 and 2 in equation number 1. So if I substitute value of dy by dx, what we get here is, this will give me v plus x dv by dx, right? Instead of value of dy by dx, I'm now writing v plus x dv by dx, and in the right hand side value of y will be vx, everything upon x minus vx. I just substitute the value of 2 and 3 in equation 1. Now if you observe, in the numerator we have x here, x here, x here. So inside the bracket there is x, we can take x common. So outside there is already one x, so this will be x square. In the denominator also, if I take x common, this will be x square. So what we get is, we get vx square inside the bracket. Now 1 plus v left here 1 minus v is left. We can easily cancel out x square. Now what is left with us? Okay, we are left hand side, I'll keep it as it is, vx plus dv by dx. Now in the next step we just take v also on other side. So if I take v on other side, observe what will happen. I get x dv by dx, equal to, you open the bracket, we get v plus v square upon 1 minus v, okay, minus v on other side. So we just simplify this. So this is v plus v square, we just take this, multiply with v here, we get minus v. Observe this minus and minus will make it plus v square, so everything divided by 1 minus v. Here again we can cancel plus v minus v very easily. So this v square and v square, we are left with 2 times v square upon 1 minus v, and my left hand side is as it is, x dv by dx. Now what we do is we take all v on one side, all x on one side. So 1 minus v upon v square, and this will be 1 by x dx. Don't forget this 2 is here, so this 2 is also there. And now we want to integrate this as all v on one side, all x on one side. So 1 by v square minus v upon v square dv will be 2 times integration of 1 by x dx. 1 v get cancelled. Integration of 1 by v square will be v to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 log mod v. This will be 2 times log mod x plus c. We want to simplify this. We get minus 1 by v minus log mod v, and this will be 2 times log x. I keep it as it is. I just substitute value of y again. Value of y will be y by x. Value of v here I substituted. Value of v I substitute the log also, so this will be y upon x. This is 2 times log x plus c. So if I simplify this part, this will be minus x upon y. This x will go in the numerator here. So minus log y inside the bracket minus log mod x. This 2 log x I am taking other side, so this will be minus 2 log mod x equal to c. If I open this bracket, I get minus x by y equal to minus log mod y, and this minus and minus here will be plus, so please don't make any plus minus mistake. Log mod x minus 2 log mod x equal to c, minus x by y minus log mod y. Log x minus 2 log x is minus log x, right? So minus log mod x equal to c. So this is my present answer. Let's check it matches to which of the option. So we have here 4 options. So x by y is there in 3 of them. So we have y log x, log y. So I think we need to simplify this question more. There is log xy we need, and there is no minus here. So what I'll do is, observe, first thing I'll do is I'll just rename, instead of c, I'll just say everywhere c dash, because this will help me to simplify it little bit easily. So what I'll do is I just take minus common here everywhere. So if I take minus common here, this will be x upon y plus log y plus log x, okay, equal to c dash. So this minus I take other side, so x by y plus log y plus log x can I write as log xy, log a plus log b is log ab, and this will be c dash, but this minus I am taking on other side, so this will be minus c dash. So in next step what I will do is minus c dash, I will substitute as new constant, say plus c. So I get x upon y plus log mod xy. Now if you observe, this is matching to our option number A, right? So our answer here is option number A. Answer will be option number A, because option number A here is xy upon xy plus log mod xy. So xy upon log mod xy equal to c is my answer. So in differential equation is always observe that last 2-3 steps simplification to be done very smartly. So you have to keep your eye on the options and you have to try to match it to it. That is going to be very important trick. The next question is again the differential equation, the general solution of this equation. Again y square x square 1 is 2 y square. So basically again we have homogeneous differential equation. We just write the equation again first. So this is y square dx plus x square minus xy plus y square inside the bracket dy equal to 0. Again first step here will be getting dy by dx equal to all xy. So left hand side I need dy by dx only. So first thing I do is I just keep dy in LHS and this minus y square dx on other side. Now I just take dx on left hand side, so we get dy by dx. Take everything else on the other side, so minus y square x square minus xy plus y square. Again as usual, this is going to be my equation number 1, and we are going to put y equal to vx. So this will be minus v square x square upon x square minus x vx plus v square x square. We just simplify this. I take x square common from the numerator and x square common from the denominator, so it will be easier for us to understand that this is 1 minus v plus v square, and we can cancel x square. So we are left with minus v square 1 minus v plus v square. Fine. But whenever we do y equal to vx, we also have to find value of dy by dx, right? So this is like previous question only. What will be the value of dy by dx? Value of here, if I differentiate, value of dy by dx will be v as it is, derivative x which is 1, x as it is, derivative which is dv by dx. In the previous question also we have got equation 2 and 3, and we have substituted 2 and 3 in 1. So dy by dx, what is the value of dy by dx? It is v plus x dv by dx. Now what we'll do is, first thing is this v should be taken on other side. So this we have here v plus x dv by dx. So if I take this v on other side, this will be minus v. So we are left with x dv by dx. We just cross multiply, simplify this part, so be minus v square. So this will be minus v into 1 is minus v, minus minus we get plus v square, and we get minus v cube here upon 1 minus v plus v square. If you observe, we can very easily cancel minus v square with plus v square. So we have minus, if I take common, minus I am taking common from the numerator. So this will be v cube plus v upon 1 minus v plus v square. Integration here will be very interesting. It looks like this. Okay, so we just observe few things here. This is now x dv by dx left hand side में. So we keep all now v on left hand side. So I just get this 1 minus v square here in the numerator. The denominator we have v cube plus v. dv I keep here, and this is 1 by x dx. So 1 minus v square, if I just take v common, it is v square plus 1, and there is this is plus v square here, actually this is plus v square dv 1 by x dx. Now if you just club this numerator smartly, I am just going to write 1 plus v square first. I am taking 1 and v square together, and I am writing this minus v separately. Now what I'll do is, next step what I'll do is, I'll just take the denominator separately for the first part and the denominator separately for the second part. So the things will get cancelled easily, and I'll get integration also easily done. So 1 plus v square v square plus 1 minus v square plus 1 dv, and we just need to integrate this part separately. Here v square plus 1 getting cancelled, v getting cancelled. Now we know what is integration of 1 by v, which is log mod v. We have to integrate 1 by v square plus 1 also, and integration of 1 by x dx. Okay, integration will not be very difficult for you. Now, do you know what is integration of 1 by v and what is integration of 1 by v square plus 1? Just quickly think, do you know these formulas very nicely or not? These formulas are basic formulas which you are supposed to know very nicely. So integration of 1 by v is log mod v, and there is a sign which I need to take care. This minus sign I need to take care. So this minus sign is here. Minus sign, one plus minus mistake, and answer will come wrong. So I just need to be careful. So this is log v minus, this will be tan inverse of v minus log mod x plus c. We need to simplify this and match to our option. So what we do here is, to match to our option, first thing is I write y as v as y by x minus tan inverse of v minus log mod x plus c. Now log y upon log x can be written as log y minus log x minus tan inverse of v is nothing but y by x minus log mod x plus c. Now if you observe, I can minus log mod x both side I can cancel. So we are left finally with log y minus tan inverse of y by x equal to c. Let's check whether this matches to our options or not. So we have to read our options very carefully. So we have tan inverse of y by x equal to log y plus c. This can match to our option, right? So we have tan inverse of y by x. Oh, but we have minus. So what I'll do is I'll just change the sign everywhere. So this will be minus log y, and this will be c dash. As usual, we keep it adjustment we need to do, equal to say minus c dash. So yeah, I just change the sign everywhere. So what I get finally, tan inverse of y by x equal to log y, and this minus c dash I write as plus c. So now this matches to my option number A. So our answer here is option number A is my answer. Yeah, again last step, this simplification plus minus wala, this kind of adjustment makes differential equation at times very interesting. So you need to develop such skills to have one eye on the option and make small adjustment in plus minus sign, so that you can match with the options easily. Okay, so next question is also a differential equation, but this is just the degree of differential equation. And our question is the degree of the differential equation x equal to 1 plus dy by dx 1 by 2 factorial dy by dx the whole square 3 factorial dy by dx the whole cube, so on. This is infinite series. Now this is a trick question, my friends. This is a very simple trick question, and you should know this trick. Okay, so the trick is now this question is nothing but x equal to, now right hand side is nothing but e power x ka series, right? E power x ka series. Only thing is, instead of x we have dy by dx. So only thing is, the right hand side you should know that right hand side actually you can write the entire right hand side as e to the power. यहाँ पे instead of x we have dy by dx, so I am writing e to the power dy by dx. If you know this basic concept, and I am telling you, the entrance exam is going to check a lot of times some infinite series. So infinite series of sine, cos, log, e power x. This infinite series, this basic infinite series, you supposed to know nicely. Now once you know this, you know exactly यहाँ पे क्या करना है. We just have to simply take log on both sides. So I take log x equal to log of e to the power dy by dx. Now we can bring this dy by dx down. So this will be dy by dx. I just get it here. So this is log x equal to dy by dx into log e. And I hope everybody knows the value of log e. What is the value of log e? Value of log e is 1, right? Value of log e is nothing but 1, which you supposed to know. So I am just going to write it as 1. So problem solved. I got log x equal to dy by dx, and this gives me the degree, right? So finally I just write dy by dx equal to log x. Okay, and this gives me the degree. Degree is 1 here. The power is 1. So the degree, my answer will be degree of this differential equation is nothing but 1. Let's check which is nothing but my option number C. My option number C says 1. So final answer is 6. Option number C is my answer.